My name is Oishi. Tokyo was the place of my birth and childhood. Singapore, the land of my teenage years. And now, as an adult, I've made London my home. One night, I needed to catch the last train home. A journey that I feel I'm still on. Excuse me, I'm trying to catch the last train home. Do you know if there are still trains running?
Yeah, there's one more train about to come.
Thank you.
That's fine.
Please, you've got to help me. There's a man following me.
It's all right. I'm here now. Where is this nasty man?
He was just right behind me.
I'm sure he was. Never mind. At least I'm here now, in front of you.
Who are you?
I am the key to meet to the Todrek. I am the way to your salvation. I will ensure that you will never have to fear again, my dear.
What's going on?
It's okay. It's all right.
What the hell is that?
Calm down. It's all right.
Who are
I'm
you?
here to help you. I am Sir James Stamford Raffles. I will help you. Come with me. That was a vampire. Come, let's go.
Vampire? But how? And what does he want with me?
He wants to swallow your soul and so set himself free from this prison. He must be stopped. I will show you the way out. Hurry!
Je m'appelle le Marquis Dumitru de Todelic. At your service. God, you cannot resist my power. I want to taste the beautiful nectar that runs in your veins, my dear. Just to suckle a little bit at your jugular.
I just wanna go home.
Come. Don't be sorry. Just spare a little blood.
No! You cannot have this one.
Please.
Sir James, you're being naughty again.
He can go no further.
This is the way out?
Yes. Go now.
What about you?
I must stay here till the end of eternity to do battle with him. It's my curse and my blessing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What is your name?
Oishi Tori.
Oishi Tori? Go now.
Thank you, James. Thank you very much.
What have you done with that delightful flower?
It's beyond your power now, Marquis Dimitru.
You fool. You're going to pay for that with your soul.